Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be refashioning this plain black hoodie. You can see it's just a pretty basic hoodie. So I picked this hoodie up at the thrift store a while back, and I just thought it would be a really good one to refashion because it's pretty plain and basic, and it's a little bit loose fitting, so I've got some fabric to work with. So let's get started and see what we can do with this hoodie. So I decided I wanted to crop the hoodie but still keep the pocket so that I can use the pocket, because who wants a hoodie without a pocket? So I started with deciding how much I wanted to crop it, which was right about where my belly button was, and I just marked that area with a chalk pen, or a chalk marker rather, and then I moved that marking over and kind of estimated where it was beside the pocket on either side. So then I kind of folded the hoodie up to see what it would look like and just make sure that I liked it. I folded it right there along my markings, and I liked how that looked. So I decided to go with that and took the hoodie off to get started with refashioning. So I've got my hoodie now on my cutting table, and you can see my marks that I made for where I wanted to crop it. So the next thing I wanted to do was just make sure that my marks on either side of the pocket were actually even. So I measured how far up that center mark was from the hem, and then I measured that same length up on the left side, made a mark, and then repeated that process, measured the same amount up on the right side and made another mark. This is just because I wanted to make sure that everything was even before I took the pocket off, because I want to take the pocket off and move it further up the hoodie so that I still have that whole nice big pocket in my cropped hoodie. So I've got my seam ripper out, and I'm basically just going to seam rip that entire pocket off. So this is the most tedious and long part of the process. This refashion is actually pretty quick except for this part. So anyways, I'm just being somewhat careful not to rip holes in anything, and I'm seam ripping that pocket off. And once I got to that bottom edge, which was basically encased in between the ribbing and the main body of the hoodie, I ended up just deciding to go ahead and grab my scissors, and I just cut the ribbing off so that the pocket was actually still attached to the ribbing, and then I just cut the pocket off of the ribbing. So the bottom edge of the pocket ended up getting cut off a little bit, but that's all right with me. So now I'm just going to set the pocket aside for a while, and I'm going to go ahead and crop the hoodie. So first I'm just going to use those marks that I made on the front of the hoodie as my guide, and I'm going to draw a straight line all the way around the hoodie for where I want it to be cropped. So now I'm going to take my scissors and I am just going to crop this thing. And I ended up deciding to just cut about a ½ inch below the line that I just drew to account for seam allowance. And it's cropped. So now it's time to put our pocket back on. So I'm starting by just finding the center front of this hoodie. So to do that, I am just finding where the side seam is, which this one doesn't have actual side seam, so I'm just finding where the side seam would be if it lined up to the underarm seam. And then I'm putting pins where the side seam would be. And then I'm just going to line up those two pins, and if yours has actual side seams, you would line up the actual side seams. And then I'm just going to walk that fabric along, right along that edge, and where it ends up with that fold is where the center front is. So I've got my center front marked on my hoodie, and now I just need to find the center of the pocket as well. So I'm just going to grab my pocket piece and I'm folding it in half just to find the center. And I'm going to put a pin right in the center of that bottom edge of the pocket. And then I'm going to line up the pin on the pocket with the pin at the center front of the hoodie. And I'm lining up the two raw edges, the raw edge of the pocket with the raw edge of the hoodie front. And I'm just going to pin the pocket to that hem or that raw edge at the hem of the hoodie. And this is going to end up getting folded over and finished later on. So don't worry, there will not be any raw edges sticking out like that. Unless you want there to be, that's fine too. Now that the bottom edge of that pocket is pinned, I'm just going to sew the pocket to the hoodie at that raw edge, just with a basting stitch right along that bottom edge. Alright, the bottom edge of the pocket is basted to the bottom edge of the hoodie, and next I'm just going to smooth the pocket out along the front of the hoodie and pin it along the top and along the sides of the pocket. I'm going to leave the openings alone because you need to make sure that you have those openings for your hands to go in. So I'm just pinning, and then I'm going to take this to the machine and I'm just going to sew exactly in the previous stitching lines from where the pocket was previously sewn onto the hoodie. 2 rows of stitching to hold the pocket to the front of the hoodie at the top edge, as well as those 2 sides of the pocket. And the pocket is reattached to the hoodie with some nice lines of stitching, double lines of stitching, so it's very secure. And there's a close-up of it. You can see I just stitched right in those previous stitching lines, so you can barely tell that it was actually seam ripped and then reattached. And next I'm just going to pin under a 1/2 inch hem allowance along the bottom edge. So basically just folding under that raw edge by a 1/2 inch and then pinning all the way around. And then I'm just going to take it to my machine and I'm going to sew along that hem. And I'm just using a straight stitch when I sew because this is so loose fitting, it's never going to need to stretch anyways. And this specific sweater fabric is not even actually very stretchy at all, so a straight stitch will work just fine for this because it's not going to be stretching. So I've got my hem stitched down and it's looking really good, but the last thing I want to do here is just grab my scissors and I'm going to trim my raw edges close to my stitching. And then I'm going to give everything a nice press with my iron and I'm done. So here is the final look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's the perfect amount of cropped because it falls actually below my waistline when my arms are down. So I think it looks really good with high-waisted jeans because it's not showing any stomach unless I lift my arms up. And I really like that the pocket is still there because I find that it's really annoying when cropped hoodies don't have a pocket. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have some fun cropping your own hoodie, and I will see you in the next one.